Hi children, this is a special project for the simple past tense because we are going to assemble a paper craft to work in affirmative, negative, interrogative. Here we have personal information, name, surname, class, the title, simple past, and then we have for the grammar tense, simple past, affirmative, negative is different, and interrogative. Okay? And we have 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are going to cut out these 5 pieces. Affirmative. I worked hard yesterday. Negative. I didn't work hard yesterday. Important. There is no ed here. Interrogative. We change and question mark. Did I work hard yesterday? There is no ed. First thing to do is write the name. The title, simple past, and a big rectangle. Simple past. Then the 3 symbols, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. And then we copy. I worked hard yesterday. Now we go to the negative. That's it. Remember, worked, didn't work. I didn't work hard yesterday. And now we move to the interrogative. Interrogative, and that's it. Did I work hard yesterday? And then we copy. Did I work hard yesterday? That's it.